With our DataPoint plugin for PowerPoint, you can show Facebook general page information in real time. Click to open DataPoint, then the list button of the connections, select the Facebook page data provider and click the Add query. Set the name of the page that you want to monitor, BMW, click OK. Give it a proper name. Add a new query and set it to another page, Audi here. Name this too. Below you can see a preview of the data. Okay, use a text box and link this dynamically to the number of likes of the BMW connection. Format the data as a number with 1000 separators. Repeat the same and switch the connection to the Audi connection. Add some more images and make the slide look nice. Now run the slideshow and DataPoint will check for new data and update the slideshow automatically. Have more fun with data-driven PowerPoint.